What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and today we're actually gonna start getting to work on the modified. So yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty, guys, so today is Tuesday, and supposed to be racing on Friday. That's right, first race of the regular point season at Rattlesnake Raceway, Fallon, Nevada, and that is on Friday. Well, you guys have seen how much work I've done to the car. Exactly. Nothing like waiting until the last minute, but you can see the garage is an absolute disaster. You can kind of get next to the car on this side. I guess kind of on this side as well, but I'm going to attempt to get the car ready for this Friday. That means I have to be all loaded, done, loaded, packed up, ready to go Thursday night, so I can leave right after work and head out to the races. They start racing at 7. That means I have to leave Reno. Well, driver's meeting would be at 6 then, so that means I can leave Reno no later than like 4:30 or 5 o'clock. If I left at 5 o'clock, I'd be unloading and probably airing up tires and going out for a heat race, missing a driver's meeting. You know, yeah, it would be super close. But I think tonight we have some easy goals, I guess. I did get my carburetor back. Don't let the new Holly box fool you. I got my carburetor back from Bob Oliver at Competition Carburation. That is the 604 carburetor. So let's get it installed on here. I'm going to do my best to at least get it put on and hooked up. It's getting fairly late already, so I won't be able to fire the car up, but I can try to get myself prepared to fire it up tomorrow. There's still so much work to be done. I gotta, well, unbury it, but there's still the body work. You can see it's a little flared out there on the back side, and the deck is ripped up here. So we'll have to do that, and then go over suspension and a general go over. I thought I was done doing this sort of stuff, but you know, life changes and is what it is. But this will be very reminiscent of the way things used to be back when I was much younger. So I lived in Reno, and my race car lived in Fallon, an hour away, and I would pretty much only get an opportunity to work on my car Friday night and Saturday day, and then go race in the past. And then I got older, my program changed. I became the owner of my own garage, so to where I could work on my stuff, and I really got out of the habit of trying to do everything extremely last minute like that, especially when I had all winter to work on stuff. But well, you guys know my life updates, you know, new job, baby coming, about, I don't know, any day now, really, within the next month, I would assume. But yeah, it's weird how things change so quick. But focusing back in here, gonna try to set myself up to be as successful as possible this weekend. Put in as much time as I can. So gonna be going over some suspension stuff. Got to get the carburetor on. Gonna go through the transmission. I believe I'm gonna have to change gears in the back of the car, in the rear end. Yeah, just a handful of things to do, handful of repairs, but I should be able to make it. The other big project is the trailer was mostly being used for storage as well. So you think my garage is packed full of stuff, the trailer is just as full. So that's going to be a fun project in itself, just trying to make it to where I can tow myself to the races. So boy, oh boy, here we go. All right, I'm gonna pull this carburetor out. At a bare minimum, we're gonna get this bad boy set into place, over into there, and go from there. So let's have at it. Well guys, it's not a whole lot, but it's a start. Carburetor is on. I'll need to prime it with some methanol before I get ready to do the fire up process. Off camera, I did try to crank it and the battery is dead from sitting, so got to get it put on a charger. Probably test the battery too. I gotta find my charger. I believe I lent it to somebody. Yeah, gonna have to find that. Hopefully I can get this thing put on the charger before the end of before I'm done tonight. That way it'll have enough juice for me to do something about it tomorrow. Have at it, you know. But yeah, it's a start. Lots to do. Like I said, I gotta be done Thursday night before I go to work Friday. You can tell I got lots of body stuff to take care of on this side as well. So plus I think, if I remember correctly, I may have put a chunk of lead in a spot I don't want a chunk of lead. Yeah. So gonna bust butt this week. Hopefully I make it to the races. I do, next video is gonna be of racing. Maybe some last minute scramble stuff here, but I think we'll throw, instead of showing you guys the last minute scramble, we'll what do you think? Am I gonna make it? Am I not gonna make it? Comment below. Let me know if you think I'm gonna, if you have faith and I'm gonna be at the first race of the year, or not. Funny story, for probably the first 6 or 7 years of my racing career, I never made the first race of the year. I always made the second, never made the first one. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I'm not going back to my old ways, but we'll see. So I'm gonna stop this video here, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Don't forget to hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. Now that the season's getting ready to start, a lot more videos should be coming your way, I would hope. Yeah, let's jump on this roller coaster and ride it together. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. Peace.